Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Quinn, and for today's video, as you can already tell from the thumbnail, I'm going to be unboxing my Speedy Nano Louis Vuitton bag. I've been searching for this bag for so long. I've been wanting it so badly and was told by multiple sales associate across the states that it's discontinued, or they believe it's discontinued because they haven't seen it in their time of working at Louis Vuitton for at least like a year and a half. It is sold out online. I've been refreshing the website every single freaking day, every single like 5 to 10 minutes looking for this bag. And it's being resold online for like double and triple the price, which is so ridiculous. And I was not going to let myself buy the bag for like double the price, so I kept searching for it, and finally one of the Las Vegas store, I called the store in Las Vegas and the sales associate said there's actually one bag available in store right now, and I'm like, no way, you're lying, no way, because I've literally been calling every single store, even Hawaii, even Puerto Rico, all those stores, and actually you cannot ship out a bag from Hawaii Louis Vuitton store into the States unless you are already shopping there physically. I think it's because they want to prevent resale, because the Louis Vuitton store in Hawaii is, I think, 20 to 25% cheaper than the States. So I think that's whatever. Anyways, there was one bag in the Las Vegas store, and the sales associate told me that he'll call me back, but I was not going to risk that. I asked if I can stay on the phone with him on hold, just put me on hold and I'll wait. So I did that. The lady somehow did not want to buy the bag. I knew it though. I'm like, she must have not want the bag because she's looking at it for too long. Like, it's been like 10 minutes. Like, you can't look at a bag for 10 minutes and buy, whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I finally got it. It's finally here. It got shipped to me, and now we're going to unbox it for the first time. I cut open the outside box. There was tape all over it saying, if seal has been broken, check content. So safe to say that this bag is real and safe. I couldn't be happy until the bag is in my hand. I've been waiting for this, and I somehow thought it was too good to be true. Like, maybe they mistaken and actually didn't have the bag. Maybe they shipped me the wrong bag. I mean, actually, who knows? Maybe it is the wrong bag. I don't know, because I haven't opened it, but I'm so excited to open it on camera for the first time. So this is the receipts. In this box, they tied it with a blue ribbon. I haven't purchased anything from Louis Vuitton since I was like 21 years old, and that was the Speedy 30 with the checkered print. I hated that bag. I sold it recently, so then I put the money towards this one. I also sold my Louis Vuitton wallet organizer, didn't like that either. So lately I've told myself that I'm no longer going to purchase expensive luxurious stuff unless I'm obsessed with it, unless like I'm crazy over it and I really want it. In the past, I just bought it just to buy without thinking, and I end up hating it, never used it, such a waste of money. But this right here, the Speedy Nano is so, okay, whatever. Let's just open it. I know I'm going to love it. I know I'm going to love it. Here, I'm trying to tilt it forward so you guys can see. There's a magnetic clasp. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's the bag. Bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so tiny. I have watched so many YouTube videos on this Speedy Nano. Like every single video you can think of that is on YouTube, I think I've watched it all. Like if you posted a video about this nano bag, I have probably seen it. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. It's exactly what I want. It's exactly how I pictured it to be. Oh my god, this is exactly how I envisioned the bag to be. So this is the side profile, the front. It's so tiny. This is the front, so the Louis Vuitton front. One continuous pattern, and this is the back side, so the LV is like upside down. The bag looks so much smaller in person, but it's exactly what I want. So I actually like that the leather is light. Some people like for it to age, but I like this color a lot. Oh, let's see where it's made. So it's made in Italy. Oh my god. It's so crazy. I've seen so many videos of this bag, and now to actually have it in my hands, it's like insane. I can't wait to like use it and take it everywhere with me, travel with me, and then pass it down to like my kids. I will never sell this bag. I think like this is one of the like luxurious bag that I really want. I really also wanted the Chanel Mini black caviar and silver hardware, but then I kind of like got over it, and that's when I know like I don't really truly want it. Maybe I will in the future, but like when I saw this bag, I was like, no way, I need it, I have to get it. It is cute, it is so cute, I love it. I thought, you know what, maybe once I receive it I might not like it anymore, but I still love it. So here's the crossbody, and it's unattachable. People usually wear it crossbody. I want to show you what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. So I'm 5'5", and it sits just right on my waist. This is perfect. Oh my god, I'm in love. This is so adorable. So you can wear it crossbody like this. That's how I would wear it. Like that. Or like that, whatever. Or you can wear it like this, or you can hold it like this. Yeah, you can hold it like this, or maybe like this with the I can also put it onto my wrists like this. I have really small wrists, so I can kind of just wear it like that. And if you don't want the chain to be dangling, I would just put the chain inside the bag. Like this. You can kind of put the whole chain inside the bag and then hold it. Oh my god. This is the perfect height for me. It's not too long and it's not too short. So if you want a height reference, again, I'm 5'5", and this is how the back lays on me. This bag is so cute and adorable, and the reason that I want this bag, because I just want a casual bag. It's like the type of bag where I can throw on and wear anywhere. It's not too dressy, it's very casual, so it's perfect. Show you. Let me see what year it was made. 2019, week 35. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I've actually been really into watching unboxing videos on YouTube lately, and that's usually not what I do, and I've been finding it very like therapeutic. So please give me a thumbs up if you think this bag is like the cutest bag ever, and comment down below and let me know if you want to see a video of what I can fit inside this bag, because I think I can fit a lot of things in here. It's very spacious. Alright, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.